Meaning of drum major.
Drum major.
Drum major.
Drum major.
Drum major. A drum major is typically the leader of a marching band or drum and bugle corps. Their primary responsibility is to conduct and keep time for the ensemble. They may also be responsible for coordinating and directing the movements of the group during performances. The drum major can often be recognized by their distinctive uniform and large baton or mace, which they use to signal and direct the musicians. Overall, the drum major plays a crucial role in ensuring that the band performs cohesively and looks impressive during parades and other events.